Alright YouTube, I'm back in Anaheim. Today I'm going to casually walk down the street with sunglasses while wearing the GoPro 13 and see who stares at me too much. Now I know the GoPro 13 is pretty visible and contaminates the experiment, but I guarantee you people are staring at me and mumbling stuff at me when I'm wearing no camera at all. So I'll probably do some videos with the GoPro, and then just as a control I'll use the little mini, I'll use this little mini cam right here, because it's not noticeable, you know, just as a control to see if people react more or less. Okay, without further ado, here's the experiment. Remember, I'm going to be minding my own business, just looking straight forward with sunglasses. I'm just going to be looking just straight down the sidewalk, minding my own business, and we'll see who stares at me or mumbles stuff to me. Okay. I don't know how much this comes in on camera, but man, that Moss 2 gives off a lot of smoke. Turn of the century London. Okay, continuing, just walk forward. Looks like the wind blew all the trash around.
Came back from
wait.
Oh yeah, by the way, I'm at the intersection of Western and Orange Avenue. There's the fire station. And there's some cops right there. Uh-oh, who's she looking for? And here I am at Orange Avenue and Beach Boulevard.
Wait, the walk sign is on drugs. Walk sign.
There it is, but I'm not going that way. And there's the youth center, where I guess they have kind of a police substation, or at least cop cars are parked there usually. Here it is, the field. Wow, it looks way different than before. Looks like they either mowed it or the grass dried out. Then over here, the apartment building is coming along nicely. Huh. Pretty neat. Could it be?
This is the apartment next to, sir? Sir? How are you doing? How are you doing?
What happened?
What does he say?
What happened?
He said
There you go, right there. I told you. Over and over again they say, sir. Then they say, have a good day. Dude, you know that's like a low-key insult. When you say like, ma'am, excuse me, ma'am, sir, have a nice day, sir. Oh, I got that on camera. And like I said, I was just walking forward with sunglasses. I suppose that's Anaheim. Although looks like they pulled some guy over. I won't linger too long. Get some reference footage and be on my way.